Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the HiFi Walker H2. An MP3 player that promises a blend of premium features and budget accessibility. Let's find out if it lives up to its promises. Starting with the design, the HiFi Walker H2 resembles a sleek, albeit bulky, black slab. It's not the most compact player out there, but it feels sturdy in hand. The device features multiple physical buttons and a scroll wheel reminiscent of classic iPods, offering tactile feedback which some may find nostalgic. Moving on to usability, this is where things get a bit tricky. The HiFi Walker H2's interface is somewhat labyrinthine. Navigating menus can be confusing at first, with separate categories for music exploration and system settings that aren't immediately intuitive. It takes some trial and error to get used to the navigation scheme. Now, let's talk about what matters most: sound quality. The HiFi Walker H2 impresses with its audio performance. It supports a wide range of audio formats, and the Texas Instruments DAC ensures clear, detailed sound. Whether you're a fan of FLAC, AAC, or MP3, this player delivers crisp audio with a balanced sound profile, though it leans towards neutrality. In terms of connectivity, the HiFi Walker H2 shines. It boasts two 3.5mm headphone jacks, Bluetooth with Qualcomm aptX support, and USB-C for file transfer. These options make it versatile, whether you're connecting wired headphones, streaming wirelessly, or syncing music from your smartphone. One of the downsides is battery life. The HiFi Walker H2 offers around 10 hours of playback, which is decent but falls short compared to some competitors. Heavy Bluetooth usage can further reduce this, so it's something to keep in mind if long-lasting battery is a priority for you. Onboard, the HiFi Walker H2 includes an onboard equalizer with preset options like rock and jazz, as well as a custom mode for fine-tuning your audio experience. This feature is great for audiophiles who want to tailor their sound output to personal preferences. To wrap it up, the HiFi Walker H2 stands out in the crowded MP3 player market with its robust audio capabilities and versatile connectivity. However, it's not without its flaws. Navigation can be cumbersome, and the battery life could be better. If you prioritize excellent audio performance and don't mind a learning curve with the interface, this could be a solid choice for you. And that concludes our review of the HiFi Walker H2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried the HiFi Walker H2, or are you considering it? Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off. Thanks for watching.